Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer laggings. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all in the start menu right click and go to your task manager. Scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is the Windows Explorer. Select it and click on restart. Now after that close it, and after doing this step I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. Go to your settings of your Windows, click on Windows Update and downloading and install your um, Windows Update is any available. So in my case is a pending installation, so downloading will be started. So update your window. The next method is that open a file explorer, click on these three dots, go to your options, and after doing this test select this PC, uncheck show recently used file in quick access and uncheck show frequently used folder in quick access and click on clear options, and after that apply and OK button. After that close it, and after doing this set I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.